everything's closed, isn't it? Yeah, except the bottom one's fully open. It's not the actual burning of the metal that cuts it. Once you get it molten, what cuts it is the oxygen oxidizing it the whole way, yeah? So I always like a flame. Basically, I'll come around just put it on the after. I always have something there so I can then use that to stabilize it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start shaking on there. All I need to do is just get that a little bit molten, and it should get hot pretty quick. There's hot now I just blast through that. Really quick, eh? So I'm going to do this one as well. I'm going to press my hand on that. What I'll do is, because it doesn't really matter here, I'm going to cut this one whole, and then what I'll get you to do is, I'll get you to cut that one because it doesn't matter then. If you can stick a little bit on that side of the line, it's all good, right? So I don't have anything to mess on, so I lock my arm in here, and I'm going to try my best to follow that line. I'm not really that good. Not too bad, a bit ugly. And then same, and it matters too, like if I had that like that, I'm going to undercut that piece. If I have it like that, I'm going to undercut that piece. So it's like drilling a fucking hole, like you can't really put your head over it because you might get like it to blow back. But really pay attention and don't be scared to like have a look at where you're cutting and just know where your center is. Like that, see how fucked up. And it's hard when you're like that then because they'll want to blow back at you. I burnt more in my beard. So do you want to start again or do you want to run with it like that? No, start from the straight. So and then always when you get it turned off. Yep, and then that off. See that bypasses that, so you've always got that air pressure. That's the starting. Good. Fucking hell, that'll be good to watch back the slag because I just went had a slag going before I was. Oh, yeah. So, do you need your CNI glasses on? on the top, so it's a bit of nut. These look expensive, though. 300, 400? Fucking expensive. But work pay for it, or you did?
I did. I was still with Rutang at the time.
Nuts.
Yeah, but Maka would have paid for it. So that's closed.
Yep.
Open a little bit of sound.
Yep, which is the red one. Tiny little bit. Let's start with your striker. Wait on you always. That's it. Now don't squeeze your trigger yet. Yeah, you want to turn your acetylene up. Face, come out face up on the camera. That's it. Turn your acetylene up. This one here. Turn it up. More. Yep. Now turn this one up. Keep it. Yep, keep going. So you get it got those little jet, that's it. Now squeeze your trigger. That's it. Now clean your jet up. A bit more. That's it. That's it. So you want to get this molten. So you can do it either way. You can, if you feel better cutting this way, like cooking, like cutting like that, do it that way. Or if you feel better cutting sideways, do it that way. Doesn't matter really. As soon as it goes like molten, you'll see it start to like look like a little spoonful of lava. A bit more. Alright, that's it. Now Oxy, that's it. Now you don't have to go full Oxy, just a little bit, and it'll just keep cutting. You can move faster if you want. A bit more Oxy on the trigger. That's it, keep going. Follow that line, bro. That's it, bro. Good, yeah, keep going. That's it, hot. That's it, hot. Yeah, that's a good cut, bro. Keep following that line. As you get to there, just tick it up a little bit. Just go up, and then make your other cut from the top. Bit closer. Hit and just stick down a little bit like that. That's it, like that. Yeah. Alright, so we got a gut. Oxy. That's it. Good steady arm, bro. Nice. Start to tilt it a little bit towards the angle. Tilt the head. Tilt it more. Tilt. Tilt. Yeah, boy. Alright. Pretty good, eh? And then now, just come like on whatever angle you want to do, and just so you can see that line, and just blast there, start to cut, and then you should hold it on so you see it fitting right out the bottom and not going that way. Yeah, just come across and just take it straight off. Nice and straight this one though, because if you have this on the angle a little bit this way or that way, it'll cut pretty hard. It'll make sure it's
So what I'm supposed to do is like cut it through.
Yeah, you don't have to push this down at all, you should be able to go from there, and as long as you've got Oxy+Acetylene, it'll just cut all the way out. Start from the back. Yeah, that's it. Hammer it, bro. Yep. Go. Push Oxy hard. That's it, all the way through. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, you didn't cut the back all the way up. Stand it short a little bit. You can keep going. Just hammer it that. Same as what happened to me too. Yeah, you can do that. Now from the top to the bottom. Like this. Keep blasting. There we go. That's a bit. There we go. But after one in the first time, you just fucking on this bit. Oh, that was a big stuff. If you cut this bit away, you see how it's bubbling up and spinning back at you? Because you hadn't cleared all the steel from the back. But you'd only feed it to there, so I was hitting there and then wanting to spit back out. Like the way the wind was going. So it should be able to. I did like the first one, should be able to. But almost, I want the tip facing like maybe that way a little bit, and then I can cut that way across. See the cut all the way through? And it happens real quick. Yeah. So I can do the same here. I can just melt this fucking corner off. Maybe I'll disappear so quick. Once it's molten, I can turn the acetylene off. Watch this.
Didn't work, hang on.
So I should be able to turn it off once it's molten. And I can keep cutting as long as I keep it molten with Oxy.
Okay.
Because all it's doing the cutting, like you use the acetylene and Oxy mixture to heat up, and then all it's doing the cutting is Oxy. Yeah, bro. So you want to start it up and have another crack? Yeah, one drop. A little bit of that one, start him up.
Alright, fine.
Acetylene on? Just a little bit. There you go. Put it in your back pocket as it goes out. Yep. Turn the acetylene up a bit more because obviously you'll want to blow that out once you turn up. Nah, acetylene. Obviously, that's it. More. There you go. Right, and then crank the Oxy on the top. Just slowly. Yeah. There you go, clean your tip up. Tip, bro. Good to go. Keep it like that. See how it starts to spit this way? Yeah, that's just the angle of that. So you want it just like that. So it's going to spin all that metal out that way. If you hammer it, bro, now start moving towards me. Big old slide. There you go, you're all the way through, Dad. See how quick it happens? That's what yesterday when you're up there, and you went boom! Like it fucking goes quick then. Yeah. So yeah, that's good cut. So see how straight it is when you go fast like that? Yeah. And what you did, you know, you had the gun a little bit this way so to get the gun, so that's why it's imperative so to have it straight. Unless you want to cut it out, yeah? Alright, I'll do another one. Yeah. Point your, just lift the back of your gun up a bit, and then it goes down. That's it. That'll be a straight one there. Done, bro. But it's no problem, you don't have to do it fast, you can take your time. But the faster you do that, so you don't end up with all this slag shit around. Yeah, and now practice yourself going across a couple of times. No, I did it. I don't know if this That's it, that's it, good speed. And then make that cut that you made, so you're going to have to, when you get close, tilt it. That's it, bro. Fuck yeah. Boom. Oh, you just miss the cut, but yeah. So before that falls, I'll fuck around with this bit so we're not wasting steel. Anyway.